नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका लाइफ एडर मिश्रा ये चैनल पे.
Before we start, yes, this is a good point. Okay. I will not answer this. This will be answer. This would be answered by Karthik, Kishore, and Harsha. We will say what is the problem with my lining. Okay. Invest, trade. How would we differentiate it? Okay, wait. Right. Continue. Correct. Perfect. Business ಬರಿಬೋದು. Not required here, not required. That came here, more time, less time, that we covered. Fundamental knowledge is not required. This here we require it. Fundamental, okay, not required. Again here, not required. Candles or technicals or chart, here not required. It is actually not required, and we can go on. Okay, here it is required. Again debatable. If you are not going on emotions, you are really doing, you would make a risk to reward very high, what is say, R to R. But here, yes, true, the risk is less. One thing which you have to understand when we invest is not next day Nifty is going to become zero. But in trading, no, if you have, for example, options you have taken 10k, it can become zero next day. So 100%. One more part we have, what we can say here is, give me a minute, a major one. If anyone is considering this, please look into this again. This is a major one again. Okay, what is it? One, why am I doing this again? Wait, just a minute here. So what was I saying? One major thing. This is usually a wealth creator. Okay, when you are right. Here it is consistent. Again I am saying in both terms, when you are right, consistent and regular, or regular income provider. In both the terms when you are right. Okay, now let's come how, when, what I think is, we don't require to understand swing or something right now. We'll understand the candles first and then we'll go later on. We'll spend some 10 minutes today, then we are good to go. I think this wasn't boring for you guys, was it? If it was, please let me know. Who was it? Manjunath. Okay, the more interesting it is, the more heartbreaking it might be sometimes. Okay, now for example we have something, okay, we'll go with red, black. We have we'll say Reliance at 100 rupees, and it opens whenever we have this market opening times. At 9 o'clock it opens, from 9 to 9, 9 o'clock, 7 minutes it has a pre open session wherein we decide, market decides where to stop, where to start from, and then 9:15 we start with the market. We'll say for, and candles are for every minute again, for from 1 minute to 1 hour to 1 month we have everything. Okay, now one thing which we have to consider here is it opens at 100, and when day ends at 3:30 it closes at 110. Okay, next day it might open at 107, it might close at again 100. Okay, now we have different kinds of candles which can be Heiken-Ashi or many kind of candles. We usually use a Japanese candlestick, wherein what is candle is like, it provides you an insight from where to where. Okay, now if price is going up, in what color it might be usually provided as? Green, right? So every candle, when it closes green, that means it has moved from the price, moved higher from the price it had opened. Whereas every candle which is red, that means it has moved lower from the price it had opened. This much is clear? Yes. 100%. 100%. Now, one thing which you have to consider is, we'll go to the color change and we have to again go back. Okay, 3:30 what happens? Market is closed and the candle movement is closed. But when you go at 3:40 and check, the candle is closed at 110, but adjustment closing price would be 109 or 1, whatever, it might be higher or lower, not the exact one. Okay. Similarly, next time when it opens at 9 it will open 9 am, it will open at 109, the previous closing price. This is actual previous closing price. Clear? Now, but by 7:97, I mean, this is the pre-opening session which we have. People might decide that it might go up, people might decide it might go down. So, what might happen? It might close at 109 or 108, even lower or higher. But even after opening at we'll say 107, easier to make it easier. It opening at 107, by day end it goes even down. So there are few things which we don't actually do at this point, that is from 3:30 to 9:15 totally. We don't do anything. That time price changes a little bit based on the demand and supply of that period of time, of last orders placed. Clear? Okay. Now, it's not like it opens at 17, it goes and stops at 100. It might be also that it can go, after opening here, for example, after opening here, we would have, it had gone to 110, and before closing it had gone to 90. Similarly, here it has gone to 95. Here it has ended with 107. This is the high. What is the difference? What you see here? right? Right. So these things, right, this which you see, this is called as body of the candle. How it is made? It is made by open and close of the candle. Okay, here it is open, here it is closed. This is the body. Body considers as, it starts with the open of the candle and price, and it closes at the closing price. Now there are few more things that has happened. This is called as wick. Wick is that it provides you the price which has gone irrespective of the body, that is, it can be the low, which cannot be, I mean, it is not the closing low price, it is not the closing price, or high, again it is not the closing price. What has happened in between, before the candle closes, it has gone up, down, but by the end it has gone here. Is it clear? This is really important to understand as we move further. Any doubts here? For everyone? This, right? Okay, this in any terms, okay, we'll clear this again. No, it's okay. So we know we have a candle like this. It burns something like this, right? In general candle. So this is called as body. This is called as wick. Okay. What this does do? This provides you the extra amount of price movement in the share. Extra amount as in, if the candle is for a whole day, okay, by the start of the day, what happened? It went to 10 rupees. Sorry, it was at 10 rupees. It went to 9. And then what happened? As day progressed, it went around till around 20 rupees. But again, it came back. It closed at 15. So these extra lines which you see, these are wicks which will provide the market moved outside opening and closing period of that candle. For example, this is a 15 minutes candle. In 15 minutes, it opened here, closed here, but in between it moved here also. Clear? For today, I would end up here, but I will show a chart now. Is it clear for now? I'll show the candles now. Okay. Now we'll see on the chart. Okay. We'll learn about the candles in detail in coming time. Kishore, Karthik, I'm sorry if this is repeated for you, but it's okay. Revision. We'll go with our Indian shares. Let's go with ACC. We'll go with ACC. What has happened here? Okay, one more terminology which I missed to say, tell. Okay. Good, thanks, I got this as a reminder. Yeah, I'm using this nicely, nice. Karthik, is it got better compared to previous classes? I think, I don't know. Yeah, okay. So this is a candle. Color again depends on how much it has opened or closed. This would provide high of the candle. This will provide low of the candle. Open and close would be depending on what the candle color is. If it is green, then open would be here. If it is red, the close will be here. Is it clear? These wicks provide high or low of the candle or the stock. Clear? Perfect. Now let's go to the chart. What do you see here? We will take only one candle right now. We will see this last one. Okay, this candle, only this candle right now. We'll take these two and we'll understand how it is working. This candle. Okay. Now when you go to a chart, okay, what is happening? We have a red candle, right? Just look here, this part. Can you see this? It is O is open, H is high, L is low, C is close. Okay, come to this. You can see this was the opening price. Sorry. This was the opening price. What am I doing? This was the opening price. It went and closed here, but the low was even lower. Closed at 311 if you see, but the low was 2300 something. Yeah, 2300. But high, if you see, open was here, high was somewhere really above. So this is a wick, but it gives you an insight where the price has gone in between the day. You are understanding? This is a day candle. Okay, how I say it is a day candle? You can choose it here: day, hour, week, month. Here. Okay, you understood this point? Okay. Now, if we go from this day candle to a smaller candle, we'll say as 15 minutes. Okay. So, and we'll reduce it. Yes. So, I told at 9 o'clock market opens. What has happened? It has opened here. It went above. Okay. It went till here. In the whole day, it has gone like this and then close somewhere here. Now, one thing which you have to think is, now from 1 day candle, these many 15 minutes candle have made. I mean, from these many 15 minutes candle, one day candle has been made. Similarly, if I go for this 15 minutes, 15 minutes candle, I can split them into 15 1 minutes candle. And again, find out how the price has moved in that. Clear? Any doubts on this? Yes? Yes, that's what you can see here. If you see from 9:15 one, again 9:30 again, 9:45, 10 o'clock. Okay, now I'll go to one candle. First candle I have to see from 9:15. Okay, from 9:15 I have to see. I'll go to 5 minutes candle. I mean, I'll split that into three parts. So what will happen? Where is the 9 minute? Sorry. Yeah, we'll go to again 9:15. 9:15 first candle, second candle, till 9:30 we have 3 candles already done, right? Now we can split this candle into 1 minute candle. That will be again 5 candles. So you will know how price has moved in between, but all combination would make one candle. Higher time frame. For example, 5 minutes candle would make 15 minutes candle. 15 minutes candle would again make 1 hour candle, and similarly it goes on for day and week and month. Okay. Everything can happen in between. That open close for that month would be decided again based on how it has happened from the start. High and low is decided in between what has happened. Clear? Any doubts on this? Then can we wrap up the session? If you don't have a doubt, we will again have this next week. 1 hour investment, 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes investment session, and then 20 minutes of trading one. Was this fruitful for you guys first? Okay, then next week we'll have it on Saturday most probably. If there is a change, I'll let you know. We'll have again 1.5 hours is enough. I cannot speak more. Gone. Market, I had made this video. It is, I don't know. Market has to follow. Okay, and now as you have asked, I'll explain it in short. Now, others, if you don't understand, that's okay. We would come to you would come to this level of understanding in a few weeks. Don't worry about it. Now, I think we had spoke about this last week, Karthik, but again, go to a monthly time frame right now. See what has happened. What I was speaking, it has spent good amount of time before a breaking out, right? Correct. Now this time it has broken out and it has gone. It is not stopping. Now one thing which you have to consider, in last video which I had shot and the voice was not captured in that, the video which I was editing today. So if you see on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, this is the first time after this big fall has happened. You can check. Okay. Once this month's candle is closed, yes. For Bank Nifty is still very strong. Again, one thing which I am saying, I am considering is here it has to come nearby 15,000 is my understanding. Reason behind it is I don't think so. Market should go like this. This is quite wrong. You cannot take market like this. Now what has happened is people are switching jobs. They are getting more salary and they are putting all the money here. And that's creating a chaos. It is not letting the market go down. Now there are many negative things that are happening that would bring market down. Pandemic again, third wave is one fear. You have to consider the floods in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and also parts of Karnataka. So even that would impact a lot. Agriculture things has a high impact. And then there are certain situations also outside India which are a little alarming based on the vaccination thing. Even people who have vaccinated, they are getting again these strains of virus, which is a little scare, and the countries are banning flights. So if the businesses are coming down, most probably again market has to come down. Again, as I told last time, if again I have to take an example of okay, if I have to take an example of Indigo, let's go to Indigo. People are not flying as they were flying earlier. If you see, last year it was around 1900. It came down to around 700, but now it has gone to 2400. I mean, there is no point. At least I don't see business has tripled from the point where it has fell, or even doubled from the point where it was in 2020 initially. If you guys see, please let me know. But because I don't see it. So market, the investments in market have been done very vaguely by people who are new to market. They just have money and they have just invested randomly, which is quite wrong. And if it starts falling, the FII, DIIs will remove their money and go off, and the retail investors will be stuck. My understanding still in market is that market should fall. Till at what point, I don't know. It is again God knows where it can go. But for Bank Nifty, what level I found was it was 32,000. Here at least it has to go, because if you see Bank Nifty is still here. I can show you. Give me a minute. This is also Nifty. Give me a second. Bank Nifty. Now people who are not understanding Nifty and Bank Nifty, we'll speak about this in next session, or else I can say in short that Nifty and Bank Nifty are composite indexes which provides you the mood of the market. For example, Nifty has top 50 stocks of the market, and Bank Nifty has top 20 bank stocks in the market, and accumulation of those creates this index. And as for example, if 50 stocks move upwards or whatever happens, this moves in that direction. This shows the direction of the market usually. Now, if you see here, what has happened last year at this point from 32,000 it has fell, but if you see around 12,000 Nifty has fell. In graph itself you can say that charts, Nifty has moved huge compared to Bank Nifty. Now what I am saying is my expectation is that it might come to this 32,000. If it breaks, then God bless, it can go at any point. Okay, if it breaks, so that is the other way around. But if I am being little positive and thinking in terms of technical, it can this Nifty can go to 15,000 is what I can understand. If it breaks below, in that video what I had shot and it has gone wrong, it was that if it breaks this, then we don't have any way around it, it will go directly to 12,000. So my expectation is that Nifty should fall little high more than Bank Nifty. Let's see what happens, because if you see here, around in this month only 3% of Nifty has fallen, around 4%, but Bank Nifty it's around 8%, which is not right. Bank Nifty, because Nifty was leading earlier, Nifty should fall more now. Now how I made this assumption and all, people who did not understand, you will understand in coming period of time, don't worry. But Karthik, is it clear to you? Others? Any other doubts apart from this? This is again, if I start speaking about this, I have to take again 1.5 hour session. I told Bharti Airtel would go again up. I don't know. I still feel that, but then it is not supporting in that way. It had gone up other day, 780, I think so. Yeah. But then it is not supporting, market is not supporting the investments which has been made. I think it is the right time. If you think some of the stocks did not perform that great compared to the other stocks, you can invest or you can accumulate those, but I would not suggest to reinvest or fresh invest right now. Yes, if you have good stocks, keep them, I would not mind, or else remove 50% of them and the rest of the money you can invest when you see that it's returning. Nothing wrong in that. Clear? So let's wrap up. Thanks a lot guys for joining. It was a good session, I think. I enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Have a nice day. We'll meet next week.